Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So for today, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. Normally, I would call this video a haul or a collective haul, but I feel like it's such a small haul that I don't wanna call it that way. I think it'll be more of like what's new in my closet because we're just gonna be talking about clothing, accessories, kind of, item. So let's back it up a little bit. So last year, I wanted to do for this year what would be a low buy year. And I say it in quotations because I know myself and I know that I still like to shop and I still like to add new things to my closet and to my makeup collection. So I just wanted to do I guess I wanted to have better money habits and try to save a little bit more than I was spending. So we'll just keep it as I'm trying a low buy this year. I don't think I've mentioned this before in my channel because this is the first time that I'm really talking about me purchasing a couple of different things in what would be considered a haul. So anyway, before I get into the video, I would really appreciate it if you decide to subscribe. It's super easy. All you need to do is hit this little red button. Be also sure to hit the bell so you get notified every time that I post. On to the first piece, which is what I'm wearing today. If you know me, if you're familiar with my channel, you probably know that I love a good t-shirt. T-shirts, it's probably the piece of clothing that I live in the most. Jeans and t-shirts. And I believe Remus is wanting to leave the bedroom, so I'll be right back. So the very first piece we're going to be talking about is this t-shirt, like I was mentioning before Remus interrupted us. So this t-shirt is from a company called Matt & Bow. They are a New York City company and they actually reached out to me asking if they could send a couple of their items, which I was very, very excited to try because once again, I love me some jeans and t-shirt combo. So anyway, the company is based off in New York City and they specialize really in jeans, but they do have tops, so t-shirts, some sweaters, they have cashmere. They also have a line for guys, so they have jeans for men, t-shirts for men, and of course I had to pick a t-shirt and some jeans because once again they do specialize in jeans and they have a big section. So anything from skinny jeans to mom jeans to boyfriend jeans. I went for skinny jeans because I feel like that was lacking in my closet at the moment. I've recently been buying more looser, kind of like more straight fitted jeans. So I feel like I needed a good pair of skinny jeans. Before we get into the actual products, I wanted to share with you also that Matt & Bow was very kindly enough to not only send me these pieces, but also to provide me a discount code. So if you go ahead and use the code, it's AlexMimi, just like my handle, I'll leave it right here on their website. And it's the first time you order from them, you get a 10% off. Once again, only for new customers and by using the discount code that's gonna be right here. I picked up a t-shirt because I know that this is basically what I always wear. Been winter, spring, summer, I'm always gonna be wearing a t-shirt. I really, really love them. And my favorite color on t-shirts is going to be either white or off-white. So that was like a no-brainer. I knew I had to get one of these beautiful off-white t-shirts. It is super comfortable. The back doesn't have, those like very uncomfortable labels. It's just gonna be a printed label, so nothing is going to be uncomfortable whenever you put it on. You have to like rip off the labels. I absolutely love that. For reference, I got my t-shirt in the size extra small. I do find that they're very true to size. If you are probably in between sizes and you prefer a more looser fit, I would just go for, if you're usually extra small but you want to get a little bit looser, I would go for a small. But honestly, this is not snug at all. You can see there's like a ton of space. Although it's boxy, like it's like a boxy t-shirt, it still gives you like that form fitting. Like if I tuck it in t-shirts, on jeans or pants, I'm wearing some not pants, I'm wearing some very comfortable loungewear because I'm at home and I'm not going out today, so I just wanted for some loungewear. So anyway, now let's move on to the jeans because the jeans I am very excited to try, but I haven't used them because if you follow me and are subscribed to my channel, you know that for the month of March I did for the very first time a capsule wardrobe. So whenever I did select my pieces, I hadn't received these two items. So I am trying to stick as best as I can and be as strict as I am with just using the pieces from my capsule wardrobe. So these jeans will definitely be going in my April-ish, May. I'm not entirely sure when my next capsule wardrobe will be, but whenever it is, I'm gonna start rotating them. But I have tried them, and of course here is a mug shot of me wearing them. I did try, since these are the only 2 pieces of clothing that I have 2 others, but I've already used them before, so I'll probably still put some matches here. But anyway, the jeans, I got them in the size 26, length 28, and these are skinny jeans. I'll tell you specifically what type they are because I can't remember right now. I'll leave the name here. They seem very, very comfortable. I can't speak of them as much because I just got them. I am super excited to start wearing them. I wanted some kind of like in-between blue, so this is a beautiful, beautiful shade of blue. It is not too faded, it's not too dark, it is just the medium that I was looking for. And I went for the skinny jeans I was mentioning earlier because I was needing a good pair of skinny jeans. And I love how it has just a couple of details, and I also wanted some jeans that were not going to be distressed, no ripping on, anywhere. They do also have a couple of jeans that have, ripping in like the knees or a couple of places like that, but not like too distressed, which I like that. Since we're talking about jeans, let's get out of the way the only other pair of pants that I have. So these ones I got from Club Monaco in the size extra small. These are beautiful, very flowy pants. I was needing in my closet a good pair of black pants, so whenever I saw this, I knew I had to get them. They're very comfortable because they have that elastic waistband, but also the fabric is very comfy, very flowy, and they're going to be wide leg pants. So they are once again comfy all the way from the top to the bottom, like nothing is gonna be tight, uncomfortable. They are the most delicious pants I've ever owned, and I wanted something black because I wanted to be able to either dress it up or dress it down, according to whatever accessories, top, and shoes I would wear. So this have been a winner, as you probably saw already if you have seen my capsule wardrobe videos. I'll leave them linked down below in case you haven't. They're so easy to literally wear with everything and anything, mix and match, so easy. So these have been a huge, huge hit. I believe they're still available, so if they are, I will link them down below. For my last clothing item, I do have a very bright blazer. If you're familiar with my channel, you're already subscribed, you've been seeing this for a couple of videos already. So this is the Sarah blue blazer that I got. I believe I got this at the end of January, if I'm not mistaken. Whoops, I almost dropped it. It is super beautiful. I love this shade of blue. I do have one more other blazer that's blue, but it's a very muted, almost gray tone blue. So whenever I saw this, I just knew I had to get it. And I'm actually lying because I saw it and I didn't get it right then, and I went the next day because I couldn't stop thinking about it. So it is very beautiful, and I feel like it's one of those statement pieces that can make a very casual outfit kind of like elevated to the next level by just throwing in this blazer. Like I totally can see myself wearing this t-shirt, jeans, this blazer, and even tennis shoes, and I would feel so much more put together as opposed to just wearing jeans, t-shirt, and tennis shoes. Surprisingly, throughout this year, which we're already almost at April, I've only bought one pair of shoes, which I did surprisingly because I usually love to buy shoes and bags. But this year, I've only bought one pair, and it's gonna be a pair of sandals. These are by Tory Burch. I got them. There was some kind of sale going on, so I got a pretty good deal for them. This is the second sandals of this kind that I have. So I have the exact same sandal, and that's why I bought them, because I know that I used the other ones, or I used the other ones so much. These ones, I believe they're called Inez, I think, if I'm not mistaken. This might be from the Sport Tory Burch and not the regular Tory Burch, so I'll leave the real name here, and I'll leave them linked down below if they're still available, which I think they will be. I've got them in the size 7. They are so beautiful. The ones that I own before this are kind of like a more beigey, pinky shade, or like a very light pink, and I used them so much last year. Literally, I would wear them with all of my dresses, all of my shorts, like all spring and summer I wore those shoes. So whenever I saw this shade on sale, I knew I had to get them. So they are super comfy. They have like the more kind of like squeezy or squishy little, I don't know, whatever this thing is called. It's all of that is padded, like where your shoe, at the bottom of your shoe and then up here. So they are very comfortable. I have a very hard time getting shoes that won't hurt my feet. I don't know if because my feet are a little too skinny or too bony that shoes just hurt my feet. But with these ones, I have no issue and I can walk around them all day long and they'll be super comfy. So these are going to be my kind of like spring summer shoes and I cannot wait to start wearing them. Now I have a couple of accessories that I actually just picked up. So I had purchased a bag from the Coach Outlet website, but it was a retail bag. I was very excited to pick up that bag. I'll put a picture right here. But unfortunately, whenever the bag arrived, I opened the box, it was too small, and I was like, this is kind of weird. This bag is not this small. They gave me some random bag that wasn't the one that I purchased, so I had to go back to the outlet and return it in store. So I couldn't get that one that I wanted. It was already out of stock. So anyway, on that trip, whenever I went to the outlet, I did pick up a couple of smaller leather good, one of them, and then a silk scarf. So for the wallet, I got this very, very stunning signature. So it has the signature right there in the back in the brown, and then it does have this shading on the top that's kind of like more maroon. I believe this is probably going to be from like a past collection just because of the maroon here. It does have flowers everywhere, which I really love. That was the reason why I got it. And then on the back here, I can put just my ID, which normally I always only carry a little card holder, but I found that I was needing something that had a little window so I could just put my ID and just be able to access it easier as opposed to having to take out the full ID and whatnot. And I love that this one comes with a small zipper, which I use it for adding a couple more cards. I don't really use it for coins, but you can use it for whatever. And then at that same visit, when I was at the outlet, I knew I wanted to get a little silk scarf for one of my bags. So this is the Poland bag that I got last year for the Black Friday around those times. So I wanted to add a little something to it. So I found this beautiful silk scarf. It was very affordable. I think this cost around $30. And I feel like it just adds a little something to this beautiful bag that by itself it's very pretty, don't get me wrong. But I thought, you know, it's the summer, spring is coming and then summer. I feel like I could add a little something to make it a little more, I don't know, a little more festive. And I think it's very beautiful. It's still very accord to the beige shades. You can't really see it, but there is the horse and carriage inside of the scarf in this very beautiful tones. So more beigey, brownish shades, very, very stunning. And then the actual silk is going to be this kind of like off-white. Very similar to my t-shirt. We're coming to an end and I have two bags that I wanted to mention. I did say that I just bought one bag this year. So technically this is not a bag, but I've been using it sort of as a bag. So this is the Lululemon Everywhere Belt Bag. So I've been seeing basically everyone, every time that I go to the grocery store, we go for a walk, I see that a lot of people are carrying the Everywhere Belt Bag, literally everywhere. So I wanted to get a new, I call them a fanny pack, honestly. I don't call it a belt bag. To me, it's a fanny pack. So I do own one right now that's black, just an Adidas plain one that I got from like Marshalls or something way back. But I feel like it's a little too big. Like it's just too big for me. So whenever we go out to walk the doggies or we go to the park, something real quick, I don't really want to carry like an actual bag with me, like a handbag. So I wanted to get a fanny pack that would be a little bit more comfortable because the other one, since the one that I have, it's a little too tall, I guess. It kind of feels sometimes a little uncomfortable if I'm walking too much. Kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. So I saw that this one was much shorter, so I knew that I had to get it. I actually got it originally in the black shade, and then I went back and looked at the website and I saw this beautiful pink and I thought, I need the pink one. So I took back the black and got it in this beautiful pink. It is super, super pretty, and honestly, it fits a ton. I've been using it, well, I have a couple of things in there. I have some chapsticks and some Kleenex and hand sanitizer. Let me empty it real quick. So it does have a couple of compartments, so you can kind of like divide the bag a little bit. So you get one right there, and then also one in the front, or actually two in the front and then one here. And then you get a small zipper or a thin zipper on the back. So you have honestly a ton of space. I've used it a lot, more than what I thought I would. Like originally it was just going to be walking outside real quick, you know, just so I could like lock my house and grab something quick, like walking the dogs, going to the park like I was mentioning. But I've realized that every time lately that I go to the grocery store, I've been grabbing that bag. That's kind of like my go-to if I'm just running like a very short errand and I'm wearing like I am today, like sweatpants. I don't want to wear this bag with sweatpants. So that has just been the perfect companion. I feel like it just looks really good. I've used it as a fanny pack, or I've also used it as, you know, like kind of like, I don't know, like body? I don't know how you would call it. So I'll carry it like this, and it is very comfortable, but I do prefer it, so just like that, I do prefer it as a regular fanny pack, so I'll just wear it across my waist, and it is very comfy because it is pretty small, like this way. So either way, I've worn it and I've been really enjoying it. I definitely see myself in the future, not anytime soon, getting the black one, and that would be sufficient because I don't need one of every single color. But yeah, they're very affordable. I believe they're around, I mean, to be Lululemon, because Lululemon is just exorbitant pricing in everything, but these ones are like around $38, and it is very comfy. I highly recommend it. And then lastly, I have the other handbag, actual handbag that I've purchased. And this is the only one that I've bought during this year. So at almost full 3 months of the year, I've bought only one handbag. And I feel very proud of myself. I could have bought two with that coach that didn't arrive correct. But just one. So this one is the Kate Spade Knot Satchel, I believe, in the medium size. I'll leave the real name linked here because I cannot remember. I'm not gonna go too in depth because on this bag, because I do have a full-on review. I don't believe by the time this video is up, that video will be up. So if it is, I'll leave it linked down below. If not, I won't. I'll probably just print it down below once I do publish that. But anyway, this is a pink bag from Kate Spade. I was really needing a kind of like more baby pink bag. So this just came in very perfectly in time because I wanted something for the spring in this shade. And this is one of the newest release from Kate Spade. I did buy it full price. I didn't get any discount, but I think it is super beautiful and very much worth it. If you are a pink lover like I am, to me, I wear pink as a neutral like I would like as a beige shade. It is just something that I use a lot. Okay, you guys, so that's gonna be everything for today. I'll be leaving in the description box down below most, or you know, whatever I can find of the links down below. I'm pretty sure everything will still be available. Maybe not the blazer, because I feel like the Zara website is always like a mess to try to find something. But if I do, I'll leave it linked below. And don't forget, if you want to get anything from the Matt and Bo website, any jeans, t-shirts, jackets. For men, they also carry underwear, so you might look into that. I will be leaving the discount code. It's gonna give you 10% off first time buyer with the code It's Alex Mimi. And thank you so much to Matt and Bo for sending over these goodies. I am very excited to wear those jeans and try them out. If I have by that time that I publish this video, I'll leave you a little pinned comment letting you know how I felt and how I liked them. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!